In the heart of Newark, New Jersey, where projects thrive and spaces transform, there's one name you can rely on for efficient dumpster rental. Welcome to D&A Contracting, your ultimate partner for comprehensive waste management solutions. Dumpster rental in Newark, New Jersey just got more convenient. Our dedicated professionals understand your waste management needs. With D&A Contracting, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're investing in seamless progress. Transform your space with ease. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. When it comes to efficient waste management and dumpster rental in Newark, New Jersey, trust the experts, D&A Contracting. Simplify complexities. Ignite productivity. Contact us today at 973-809-3846 or visit www.dacontracting.com. D&A Contracting. Elevating waste management standards for a more sustainable future.